It is Saturday the 21st of May 2022. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is Theme Park News. In a minute, let's get cracking. And the timer starts now. Efteling has announced the replacement for their Spookslot Haunted Castle will be another spooky attraction called Danse Macabre. Universal Orlando is retiring its daytime parade, the Universal Superstar Parade, in June to make way for other entertainment experiences. Universal Orlando and Hollywood have announced the first houses for their Halloween Horror Nights. It's going to be called Universal Monsters Legends Collide and it's going to feature Dracula, the Mummy and the Wolfman. Disney have confirmed that the only way to ride the new Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind roller coaster when it opens in May is going to be via virtual queue or by paid Lightning Lane. Disney is also making it so that Genie Plus is only available for purchase on the day of use, starting in June. Kings Island are adding a new fireworks show for their 50th anniversary called Fun Fireworks and 50, a Kings Island nighttime spectacular. Busch Gardens Tampa have announced plans for their summer celebration, which has fireworks and beer samples. That's it for this week's Theme Park News. In a minute, we'll be back next week with more Theme Park News, so tune in for that. In the meantime, check us out on Twitter at ThemeParkNut, on Instagram, ThemeParkNut, Insta, on TikTok at ThemeParkNut, or our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, cheers.